The idea that artificial intelligence is the primary driver of our electricity needs is ridiculous. AI is just a computational layer stacked on top of the real foundation of civilization: industrial capacity. The real issue isn't how many GPS we can power, but whether we can sustain the energy-intensive processes that keep modern society running. Without cheap, abundant electricity, there is no manufacturing, no material production, and ultimately no civilization as we know it. Take aluminum, for example. It's not some niche material. It's essential for everything from aircraft and power lines to cars and electronics. But refining aluminum requires an enormous amount of electricity, about 15 megawatt-hours per ton. That's more than some households use in an entire year. And that's just one metal. When you factor in steel, concrete, semiconductors, and fertilizers, the true scale of our energy dependence becomes clear. Every aspect of modern civilization is built on massive electricity consumption, and without a reliable, scalable power source, none of it is possible. This is where nuclear power comes in. It's the only energy source that can provide real baseload power without relying on fossil fuels. Wind and solar are a fantasy when it comes to sustaining industrial operations. You can't run a smelting plant, an AI data center, or even a basic manufacturing facility on an energy source that fluctuates based on the weather. The entire premise of wind power is self-defeating because it relies on an industrial system that it cannot sustain. The wind industry itself depends on steel, rare earth metals, and massive amounts of concrete, all of which require intense electricity consumption to produce. Wind turbines don't replace traditional energy sources, they parasitize them. The United States has already offshored much of its manufacturing base because energy costs make domestic production uncompetitive. If we want to bring back industry, we need cheap electricity. The moment electricity prices rise to high, factories shut down, production moves elsewhere, and entire industries collapse. Without affordable, abundant energy, aluminum production grinds to a halt, steel mills close, semiconductor fabs become inviable, and infrastructure development stagnates. AI doesn't drive our energy needs, our entire civilization does. AI is only possible because we already have the large-scale electricity generation to support it. If we lose that, we don't just lose AI, we lose everything. The future of a strong, industrialized America doesn't lie in wind farms or solar panels that can't meet demand. It lies in nuclear power, the only real solution to the energy needs of a modern civilization.